We are pleased to show you the 2025 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.